Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about arrays and repeated addition. So as you know by now, arrays mean rows of. Our X or our times symbol, our multiplication sign is going to say rows of today. Let's start out with 5 times 3. 5 rows of 3. To do this, I would draw 5 rows of 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on each row I'm going to put 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, I have my answer. I can just count them all up to get it real quick. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But let's say that I also want the repeated addition for this. We know that for groups for repeated addition, we simply count up how many is in each group and add them that way. For arrays, it's the same thing. You count up how many are in each row and add them up. So for this, I have 3 in this row, plus 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 3 in this row. I should have 5 3s. And then if you want to rewrite it to where it looks like your normal repeated addition, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that's how you find your repeated addition. You just add the rows together, how many dots are in each row. Make sure that you have 5 of them because that is our first factor, okay? Repeated addition is always this number repeated this many times, okay? So it's not the first number, it's always going to be the second factor repeated this many times. It's just easier to add up the rows or add up the groups to find the repeated addition than trying to find it on your own without any picture at all. Let's come down here and try one more together. Here we have, let's do 4 times 7. Let's do a hard one. And we're going to find the product by using an array. We're going to use the array strategy. 4 rows of 7. So I'm going to draw 4 rows of 7. I'm going to make my rows long because I've got to put 7 in them. 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put 7 of each in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's always good to go back and double check to make sure you have the right number in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, as you count them out, make sure you mark them out as you go. We already know we have 7 on the top row, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. My product would be 28. The repeated addition for this, and remember, repeated addition is literally what multiplication is. You're just taking one number, repeating it a bunch of times, and adding it together. So the repeated addition for this would be, there's 7 in this top row, plus 7 in this row, plus 7 in this row, plus 7 in this row. And then if I want to write that the correct way, it would be 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. There are 4 7s because 4 is our first product, and I've got 7 of them, 4 7s. And if you added those together, 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 7 more is 21, plus 7 more is 28. You would still get the product 28. But this down here is the repeated addition, okay? If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I would be more than happy to help out. Thanks, guys.